Over the next few moments, I'm going to talk with you about pond and waterfall features that could greatly improve the overall look and feel of your home's yard. What's more relaxing and inviting than a custom water feature in your yard? Wouldn't you love to relax with guests by the side of a running waterfall or to the sound of a babbling brook? Luckily, we are here to help. We're proud to be the premier local pond and waterfall installation company, and we can completely install your dream project for a price that's more affordable than you think. If you'd like more information or to schedule a free, no-obligation pond or waterfall installation consultation, please contact us now, and we'll turn your yard into a welcoming oasis.
Hi there. Thanks for visiting our website. If you have any questions about our products, please click the button here.
Visit our website or call us today.